garden early morning to feed the birds. Going down the garden. It's now spring, April the 19th, 2023. Honesty, and the tulips are out. Not quite open yet. The sun's just coming up now. Hear the birds. All the leaves are coming out. All the little acer leaves. It's looking beautiful. The birds are coming along. They can hear me. I'll give them the call. Some bread, wholemeal bread, meat, Thorn's cat meat. Let's see how long they take to come today. I can spot the robin. Robin's just through there. See him? There he is. Sun's just coming up. 6:45 in the morning in the UK. The weeping willow's getting its leaf. Here's the robin in there. Our first contender. Wow. Just saw a blue tit, that's what it's called. Wow, yellow and blue in it. I can't remember if it was a goldfinch. No, blue tit. What we got next? Anyway, that table in the next hour will be, the blackbird will come along, feed on it, it'll be awful. The maple leaves are coming in now on the hedgerow, and there's a lot of things. Look at around the garden. And I go further up the garden and put together a little video just to show. At the garden, Thorn the cat just came in. At 6:30 this morning after being out through the night. Oh, here we go. Got some more birds there. Got two, I think they're finches or dunnocks. There we are. I think the robin's coming back, me blackbird, I think. Oh, wow, two robins. There's an apple there and all. Thorn didn't leave much meat last night, so I didn't put too much cat food on there, but I put a couple of slices of wholemeal seeded batch with an apple. So there's plenty of nice food in there for them. To supplement there, I've seen the blackbird, which has been featured on this table, one with the white wings. His white on his wings are less. He's been collecting worms and stuff in his beak, so he's in a neighbouring garden, so he has a nest. A little bit out the way of Thorn, but coming into the garden daily for his food, so all part of his territory. Here's the robins, they're nesting too somewhere in the garden. Again, out of sight of Thorn, but still coming to feed. Pecking at the apple. There's at least 4 birds that are back and forth at this present moment. So let's have a little zoom. I'm literally 20 feet away from the table. So I'll go in now and put this video together so I can get it up today. Good morning anybody watching Thorn's videos and my stuff. I'm Sandra, over and out for now. Right, hello, I've just been videoing the garden. I've just been videoing further down in the garden. These are the snowdrops. snowdrops, which are the giant snowdrops. Some of them left. The bluebells are just starting to come in at the back. The hazel leaves are literally just coming through bigger and bigger each day. Got the lovely tulips. I've been picking some of them for work. You've got like the nettles, wild nettles. I can't remember the proper name, but there's a lovely pattern on the leaf. This area here is, these are all hazel groves going round there. This here is, just put this box here and all this lovely spring, these lovely spring flowers here. It's a nice display. And acers, wallflowers, and that's it for now. Over and out for now.